Things that can take your affiliate marketing venture to the next level. Some affiliate marketers will ultimately fall victim to companies who promise proven methods upon sign-up. Other marketers will fail due to a lack of understanding. We could keep going on for a year here, there are just that many ways to fail. If you want to know how you can succeed, check out this video. As the most basic rule of thumb for affiliate marketers, you need to choose a quality product before you get started. If the product you're choosing to promote is of poor quality, your results are ultimately going to suffer. Go with a solid product that has a quality reputation behind it. If not, there is no point in putting in the effort. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard to spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. The tips you've just watched here talk about a few tips and tactics you can try in order to increase your odds of success. Any market is going to be fickle, and the highly competitive field of affiliate marketing needs a new dictionary to properly explain how it can sometimes act. Make sure you're always putting yourself in the best position by using the tips you've watched here. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.